Hello friends, I'm going to show you how easy it is to share the blog posts which I'm making in Sahaj Krishi, both in English and Hindi. So there is if you will see, there are social handles. You can share it anywhere you want. Suppose you want to share this blog post, which is our inspiration. So you can understand, see from here, there's a drop down menu. You can go to various menus and see. Suppose you go to research works. So all the research works are present here, like Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. After that, all research works will come under this research work. You see this. So there are different blog posting done here. For example, Faizabad, UP, in the ND University of Agriculture, what happened? What kind of thing? So there is text also here. What happened? What are the results? Everything is here. So, and if you want to share, then you can share. Suppose we want to share, let's say, Shimataji's quotes. So under Shimataji's quotes, we have got these quotes on Sahaj Agriculture. Let's say I want to share on Pinterest. So obviously your Pinterest has to be open in the browser, in the sense that you have to be logged in your thing. That therefore, at the moment you press here in the Pinterest, so they will ask you which one to choose. So you just save it here. Where do you want to save? You want to save. They will give you this thing, a board name where you want to share. So let's say I will say I want to share it in this. Basically, the one who is handling Sahaj Krishi will obviously share it in the Sahaj Krishi board, or you all can make a Sahaj Krishi or Sahaj Agriculture board, you individual. That's not a problem. As Sahaj Yogis, of course. When you save it, it will get saved, and when you want to see it, you can see it. So what is happening? Sahajkrishi.org is coming up. This is also a kind of a marketing happening, and you can then add note here if you want to add something more. You can do it. So this way you saved one thing on Pinterest. So similarly, if you go inside, if you want to see whatever is given here, suppose you want to share the same thing on WhatsApp. I'm sure you know how WhatsApp can also be opened in the browser of this thing. Is very simple. web.whatsapp.com. You can go, and then there is a in the phone there will be a QR code. They will ask you, and then you will be able to see your entire WhatsApp on the laptop. So it's very easy to see. So now if I want to share it on WhatsApp also, the same thing. So it will open, my WhatsApp will open, and then it will give me the option to share it in which group. So this option I will get, I can share it in the group directly from the website. So I have many groups. For example, I will choose Skills Sahaj Yogi group. So I will choose this, and then I will press enter. So this will come like this. You see, all that I have to do is I will just have to press this, so it will come. So Shrimataji's course has been shared on a WhatsApp group directly from the website. So this way you can, on Instagram, WordPress, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. These are very important and very well-known handles. In fact, I would suggest all of you should have these individually for yourselves also. Other than this also, if you have, there are many others. There are people who are maintaining other social handles also, like Telegram is also there. From here you can get these. Tumblr is here. Some of them are which are very important. They are all given here. In case you don't find it here, you can find it here. So there is this option, you can find it here. So this way you can easily share the Sahaj work. Jai Shri Mataji.